Physics question. This is JAMB 1978, question 1. A man walks 1 kilometer due east and then 1 kilometer due north. His displacement is dash. So this is the question on mechanics. Particularly, this is on scalars and vector. So question is asking us to calculate displacement. And you know that displacement is a vector quantity. So it must have both magnitude and direction. So let us go through the solution. Let's go. Solution. So first of all, let me draw the 4 cardinal points. Or let me move it down here. Let's draw the 4 cardinal points. This is north, this is east, this is south, and this is west. Now they said the man walks 1 kilometer due east. Let me clean up this and move 1 kilometer due east. So it means I have to move to the eastern direction. 1 kilometer. So this is 1 kilometer due east. Then also, and then 1 kilometer due north. So from this end point, which is due east, so I move another 1 kilometer due north. So it means I have to go to the north direction. So this is another 1 kilometer. Very good. So you can see that this line to the east and the line of the north, they are both mutual, they are both perpendicular to each other. So, and you know, one thing about vector is that to get the resultant vector, which is the displacement in this case, so I have to join the starting point. This is the starting point. I have to join it with the end point. This is my end point. So this represents the displacement of the body. So let's put displacement D there. I can put displacement D. So let me clean this because I have something to do with this. So let me move up. Let me draw it up. So this is north direction. Now, to calculate this, I can just simply use Pythagoras theorem. So, you know that this is the hypotenuse. That means d squared will be equal to opposite squared over adjacent plus adjacent squared. This is 1 squared plus 1 squared. That means d squared will be equal to 1 plus 1. So d squared will be equal to what? 2. So take the square root of both sides. D will be equal to square root of 2 kilometer. So this is the displacement, the magnitude of the displacement. If you check the options, you will see that option A cannot be the answer. B can also not be the answer. We need the one with root 2 kilometer. So the answer is in between C and D. We can't know yet until we calculate the direction. So the direction of the vector is the angle that the vector moves all the way from north to the line of the vector. If you calculate the angle from here to here, so that gives us the direction. So in order to know that, I can quickly make some construction. Let me join this to this. So over here, you will see that if this is now forming a square. If this side is 1 kilometer, then here too will be 1 kilometer. So similarly, if here is 1 kilometer, then here too will be 1 kilometer, since it is forming a square. So it's forming a square. Now I can just take the tan theta. Tan theta will be opposite over adjacent. So tan theta is opposite. What's my opposite? 1. Over adjacent is also 1. So this will give me tan theta equal to 1. So from here, I'll take the arctan of both sides. Let me continue from here. Arctan of both sides will be theta. Arctan will be tan minus 1 of 1. So tan of which angle will give me 1? That's the meaning of arctan. Tan of which angle will give me 1? And that angle will be 45 degrees. So this direction is not eastern direction. So I will say this is not 45 degrees east. So that means my displacement will be root 2 kilometer north, 45 degrees east. So if you check the option, you see that option C is the correct answer. Thank you. God bless you.